Hello, this is BANRI. I will explain the difference between side walk and salsa step. What they both have in common is the kicking step. There are three differences. The first difference: the timing of kicking is different. Side walk kicks at the same timing as stepping on. The salsa step is kicked half a count later after stepping on. The second difference: the length of movement is different. The sidewalk moves a lot sideways. The salsa step doesn't move much and dances on the spot. The last difference: the history is different. Side walk was born from tap dance. Therefore, there are many flashy variations such as cross walk and turn. Salsa step was born from salsa dance. There are many Latin dance-like variations such as kicking diagonally, bending knees, and twisting. Conclusion: the big difference between side walk and salsa step. Side walk is a flashy step that moves with a big rhythm. Salsa step is a Latin dance-like step that dances with a fine rhythm. You understand the difference between the two. Video will be released every Monday for beginners. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.